Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Stellar XLM guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of the Stellar XLM. What's the price changes occurring in the Stellar XLM? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Stellar XLM. Guys, the currently live and latest price of the XLM in the market is 0.413408 USD dollar. That is the live and latest price of the Stellar in the market. And other side, if you talk about the price changes of the Stellar XLM, so now the last 1 hour changes in the Stellar XLM is negative 0.03%, and 1 day change, last 1 week changes occur in the Stellar XLM is positive guys. So that's mean that the previous time is a good time for all XLM holders, but unfortunately just the last 1 hour changes of the Stellar XLM is going wrong. So guys, don't worry about these changes, everything will be okay, that is just short term changes. Only last 60-minute changes guys is negative. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, absolutely a massive jump super. You can see it from a 29 August the price start pumping, and still the price is in the pumping mode guys. Also in a previous time you can see this time the price jumps, but it's not mean that if the price jumps so you lose hope. No, you can see this time the price jumps, and after dumps the price again pump. Everything is on the front of your eyes. Anyways guys, if you look the latest update of the XLM, so positive 34.21% positive changes occur in the price of XLM in the last 30 days, and the highest price is 0.42811 USD dollar. That is the highest price. So guys, I hope guys that XLM future is bright, and prediction is that in the third week of September the price will take a quick jump. So get ready for a quick jump. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about XLM? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe.